Hello, good morning. I just received the package I ordered this morning, so we'll do the unboxing. I ordered a China-made Pentype copy of Proton Equalizer. So the box is just plain black. So there's markings, proton pen. So inside the box is the equalizer proton Pentype. So this is just very affordable. The real ones will cost you $300, but this one you can have this for $40. So the box comes with the machine and RCE cord. So we'll test the machine now. So pretty smooth. It comes with a soft blue lead light, same as the original. So try to put some cartridge needles. So very silent. This is 8 volts. So try to make it lower. 7.5 volts. So 5 volts, 2 volts. So the slowest is 2 volts. It runs on 2 volts, but the soft blue lead light is not turning on. But on 5 volts, this is 5 volts. So I think it's not bad for a $40 worth machine. But I know the manufacturer for the legit Proton Pentype will be very angry at China for making this one. So I'm gonna test this for a month, then I will do another review of how the machine works on actual tattoo sessions, and I will review about the durability. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Tagalog mo po dahil isa ka ano po?
Wala na 10 minutes.
Tagalog na budaya.